In the heart of Paris, on a fateful day in July of 1789, a restless energy pulsed through the city streets. The air was thick with anticipation as the people of Paris prepared for a momentous act, one that would forever alter the course of history. The Bastille, a formidable fortress, stood as a symbol of the monarchy's oppressive rule. Built in the 14th century, it had long been a prison, housing political dissidents and those deemed a threat to the crown. As the tension between the monarchy and the citizens of Paris reached a boiling point, the Bastille became a focal point for the growing revolution. The Third Estate, the common people of France, had been systematically marginalized and impoverished by the aristocracy. The crown's refusal to address their grievances led to a growing sense of discontent. In a desperate bid for change, they took to the streets, their voices echoing through the city, demanding liberty, equality, fraternity. On this day, a mob, fueled by their passion for change, gathered before the Bastille. Their numbers grew, the throng of people swelling like a storm, ready to break upon the fortress's walls. The crowd, a sea of determined faces, began to breach the fortress's defenses, using cannons captured from the army. As the fortress's governor, Bernard-René Jourdan de Launay, tried to defend the Bastille, he was seized and beaten by the mob. The remaining defenders inside the fortress surrendered, and the Bastille, once a symbol of tyranny, fell to the people. The storming of the Bastille was a turning point in Paris, 1789. It marked the beginning of the French Revolution, a period of radical political and social upheaval that would reshape France and inspire revolutions across Europe. The event was a testament to the power of the people, demonstrating that even the most formidable structures could crumble under the weight of the will of the many. The storming of the Bastille was a watershed moment, a pivotal event that would forever alter the course of history. It served as a beacon of hope for those seeking freedom and equality, inspiring generations to come. The echoes of the people's cry for liberty, equality, fraternity still resonate today, a reminder of the indomitable spirit of the French Revolution.